Dear students, today we are going to discuss the explanation part of the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. The poet comes across a road forking into two. Forking means diverging into two parts. He wondered which road to follow, as it was not possible for an individual to handle both the roads simultaneously. He stood there for a long time looking at one of them. His eyes followed it till it curved into the undergrowth and nothing was visible beyond it. The poet chose the other road, which seemed equally inviting. He felt more inclined towards it as it was overgrown with grass and it was less worn out. Thus, being adventurous, he was tempted to take it as it seemed to be less travelled by. However, he felt that a good number of people had walked over the other road too. In the morning, as the poet commenced his journey, he realized no one had walked over either of the two roads. He decided to stick to his choice for yet another day. Though, in his heart of hearts, he knew that it might not be possible for him to ever get a chance to revise his choice because in the journey of life, one road leads to another. Now, in the last concluding part of the poem, the poet says that years later he would confess with a sense of regret that out of the two roads he took up the less travelled one. This specific choice had made his life what it was today. It had altered the course of his life. So, dear students, the road in this poem is the symbol of the choice made by us in life. Many times we regret our own choice, but what is done once cannot be undone. Man yearns for what he has denied himself in life rather than what he has chosen. Hence, the poet has given his poem the title, The Road Not Taken. Thank you.